In just 10 years, Jamaica's debt in comparison to the size of our economy, which is what the economists call the debt to GDP ratio, how big your debt is relative to the size of your economy, was cut in half over 10 years, from 147% in 2013 to 78% in 2023. But as great an achievement as it is not enough. While things look good on the books, we are not balancing people's lives, as Sister P would say. Our economy is not delivering prosperity for the majority of our people. Since getting back to where it was before the pandemic, the economy is once again hardly growing. And it is still delivering mainly low-paying jobs, as Julian Robinson said. The education system is failing our children. And our society is plagued by high levels of violent crime. How can any government claim they deserve another term in office when this is the record and this is what they're delivering for the people of Jamaica? In fact, for this government, prosperity is symbolized as a donkey. It is their hee-haw way of delivering prosperity in this country.